Let me show you my Milwaukee kit. This is high-speed Ratchet, a significant upgrade from traditional models. The normal Ratchet has about 200 RPM. It has up to 450 RPM, making it notably faster. There is a battery indicator here. That will show you how much battery life is left, so you don't have to worry about suddenly running out of power when you are totally into your work. There is also a lock on it too in the front. Just in case you put it in your bag, you don't want to accidentally be running. We have a variable speed trigger right here. Slow, fast. That is very precise. We do have a LED light to illuminate what we are looking at. The head is nice and small. Everyone likes a small head. The switch is flat. It doesn't protrude out. Sometimes they stick out and it's just something to get hit or bump or whatever. Just nice and sleek. Fits into smaller spots, tight space. This will save me time and my wrist. The M12 battery lasts a long time. The charger has 3 amp output, so it will take less than an hour to get full charge on each of the batteries. I highly recommend this kit.